On April 19, 2019, the contractor Dinco E&C solemnly held the groundbreaking ceremony of the project GROZ BECKERT Viet Nam Phase 2, with investment from the GROZ BECKERT Viet Nam Limited Liability Company, a member of GROZ BECKERT Group, based in Germany. Thanks to Dinco E&C's success in Phase 1 in 2009, they are well trusted and chosen for Phase 2 by the investor. Labor safety and environmental sanitation procedures are strictly followed and implemented daily, such as toolbox meetings and safety training for workers before working. In August 2020, the project reached a milestone of 1 million construction hours without any occupational accidents. Regarding piles, we have constructed 24/7 and completed 283 board piles within 50 days. The excavation, with more than 200 foundation frameworks of all sizes, was constructed simultaneously on an area of 10,000 meters squared. For foundation pit sealing, we compacted with a thickness of 30 centimeters for each layer and conducted stiffness tests for each layer to ensure compliance with the project spec requirements and quality standards by the investor. The total construction area of the whole project is more than 30,000 square meters, with a full block reinforced concrete structure and fair face surface. Reinforcement and formwork operations are always inspected by investors who are field experts from Germany. The main factory of the project has a total area of 10,750 square meters, with each floor having 6 concrete pours. The main factory includes 2 main floors and 2 mezzanines, with a height of 18.4 meters. The total usable area of the factory is 35,300 square meters. The finished surface of the entire concrete floor and foundation is epoxy, so the flatness measurement deviation requirement is less than 2 millimeters over 2 meters. In addition, as GROZ BECKERT is a high-precision mechanical company from Germany, they take accuracy very seriously in their operations, especially in their mechanical, metal, and finishing works. As the concrete surface is fair-faced, the putty should be applied directly to the concrete surface without any added plastering necessary. Plastering work is implemented with strict requirements that meet European standards, with a mortar circuit from 8 to 13 millimeters and 100% solid. The deviation of the plastering surface is less than 2 millimeters over 2 meters. The project's underground water tank is also a large category with a total area of nearly 1,000 square meters, 6 meters deep, with a total of 130 tons of steel and 1,300 blocks of concrete. Our structural steelwork and fireproof painting was finished at the factory, then transported to the site to erect. All the quality of production and processing steps at the factory are strictly controlled and supervised, including material and weld inspection, surface cleaning before painting, finishing paint, etc. For all on-site construction works, we set out installation and steel truss protection measures during the construction process to meet the requirements of the investor and the supervision consultant. Each span roof is 57 meters with a clip-lock corrugated iron system, and the second layer is secured with 100 tile screws on the roofing sheet to ensure storm resistance at 250 kilometers per hour to create 100% safety for the factory production. The roof of the construction is designed with 2 layers and 1 more insulation layer in between to enhance soundproof and heat insulation capability. To Dinco E&C, customer satisfaction and trust are the keys to our prosperity and sustainable development. Up until now, Dinco E&C has ensured safety and high quality in our operation, to once again prove our ability as a Vietnamese contractor to take on investors' projects from G7 countries in Europe with the most stringent requirements on quality, progress, and labor safety.